Hello, my name is Sabelo Lindani. I'm the founder at Contour Enviro Group, company that was founded in 2017. We specialize in environmental management, and this was our first office. Welcome to my world. This is where the amazing journey started with the Tholoana Enterprise Program. We developed the local communities so that we can provide skilled workforce to the conservation sector, in so doing alleviating unemployment in South Africa.
About a year ago, we awarded a contract that required additional funding. We went to FFIP, the SAB Foundation Loan Fund. They helped us. They bought us 2 trucks and a wood chipper. And that equipment is what we use on a day-to-day basis. But at the same time, they created a number of job opportunities for some of the local folks.
We've grown from a very, very small base to more than 1,000% growth. We've created more than 280 job opportunities. Our desire at Contour Enviro Group is to develop and inspire a love for nature. We work and develop local communities through our accredited conservation programs, which in return help them in gaining job opportunities in the conservation sector, which at the same time help in alleviating poverty in South Africa.